Guys, I messed up. I messed up big time, okay? Basically, there was this huge competition by Westworld and Spitfire Audio where you can produce a song for one of the scenes from the TV show Westworld, which is pretty much my biggest dream, to make music for movies and TV shows. And Westworld just happens to be one of my favorite TV shows. And as if it wasn't enough, I actually made a song for this specific scene like 2 months ago, before the competition even existed, because I just felt that scene so much that I wanted to make a song for it just for fun. But now they actually started a competition asking producers to produce a song for that scene. But guess what? I missed it. Okay, the competition ended a few days ago and I just realized it existed, so I missed it. Anyways, I'm super disappointed, but what can you do, you know? Either way, I actually decided to upload my submission just to share it with you, even though it's not gonna count for the competition. It's actually a psytrance song I made like 2 months ago. You can check out the video of how I made it, I will link it below. But in this one, I'm just gonna show you the finished result of my song adjusted for the Westworld scene. If you still don't understand, this is a song from the TV show Westworld. They released a clip without any music and they asked producers to create music for that scene. So yeah, without further ado, here's my little soundtrack for that scene. Enjoy.
We're approaching now. Stand by. Got
it. Verified. Enable semi-automatic control. Disable safety features. Maximum speed. Go. What's happening to him?
I think he's switching genres.
We need distance. Head south.
Is that stand an issue?
No. It's not. Point and shoot. Police ahead. Maintain speed. Maintain
we stopping?
Get down.
Anyways, and that's it. What did you think? I'm really disappointed that I didn't get to be part of this competition, but I still enjoyed making this track and adjusting it for this scene. That's pretty much my favorite thing, like to combine music with video. That's just super cool. Anyways, hopefully I don't miss on another competition like this one. Definitely let me know what you thought in the comments, because I'm interested to hear it as well. If you want to see the process of how I made this song, I will link it below. And that's pretty much it for this video. I know it's been a different kind of video, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.